Hi viewers, welcome to Excel Tutorial Hub. In this video you will learn about the AVERAGEIF function in Excel. The AVERAGEIF function in Excel calculates the average of a range of cells that meet certain criteria. Let's walk through the function with the help of this table. So here I have already created with products and their sales amount. Let's calculate the average. To find out the average, we need to type here is equal to, type average if, open parenthesis, click on the range, this is the range in our case, press comma, now click on criteria. Suppose we are looking for product A, so for that click on product A, now press comma, highlight the average range, sales is the average range, and close parenthesis, press enter. So you can see that that's how we can use the AVERAGEIF function in Excel. Thanks for watching this video.